Water leaking into a basement after heavy rains is actually very common, and it's something that we see routinely. So today, I want to tell you guys a story about a customer of ours named Austin who is experiencing this exact same issue and what we did to fix it. Austin started experiencing water coming into his basement after heavy rains. He decided that he would put gutter downspout extensions on his gutters, thinking that would alleviate the problem. Well, Austin thought it was resolved, and then a few months later, water came in the basement again, this time a little bit more. And then the very next rain event, the same thing happened again, and this time he decided he needs to call a professional. The Waterproof Group was one of the companies that he called out. Austin decided to go with our repair method as he felt that the Waterproof Group sincerely wanted to help him in his problem. When we met Austin, he was very frustrated. He was tired of shout vacuuming water at 2 o'clock in the morning. He was also concerned about mold growth, and he wanted to ensure that his family was safe. The Waterproof Group performed a complete analysis of his basement and decided that his property would best benefit from an interior waterproof system. You see, this was the most cost-effective and warrantable system that we could offer him, as it would not only stop water from entering his basement, but it would also help lower the humidity in the home, helping prevent mold growth. We had to remove drywall and some framing to access the foundation wall. And then we started our system installation process. This involves removing approximately 7 inches of concrete from the slab where it meets the wall, installing the main drain pipe assembly below the slab, and replacing the concrete where it was removed. We also installed a 20 mil liner to the foundation wall, which helps with moisture evaporation, thereby lowering the humidity in the basement. The main drain assembly below the slab leads to an in-slab battery backup dual sump pump basin that we installed. We then removed all of the demolition debris and hauled it off for disposal. We also replaced his gutter downspout extensions, buried them, and extended them away from the property. Austin was a bit excited, but also a little concerned when the next rain event came and how his basement system would perform. So we made sure to give Austin a call when the next rain event occurred in our area to see how he was doing. He excitedly told us, "Thank you, my basement is dry." And he continues to enjoy his basement with his family, knowing that his basement is healthy, safe, and secure. Now, Austin made a statement in a testimonial video that he made for us. And he said, if anybody was on the fence about working with the Waterproof Group, I tell them, don't be. They did a really great job, and I would do it again. Be sure and check out that video link in the description below and see what Austin has to say.